basic slide package now is predicated on the point that all of our slides will originate from the crease. And no matter where the ball is, whatever man is going to the goal, our help for that player will come from the crease. So no matter what situation, what offensive set, be it a 1-4-1 or a 2-3-1 or a 2-2-2, we are always going to slide from the crease unless one of our two rules, which I originally started with you, was if there is no crease or if the man adjacent to the ball carrier cuts through. Otherwise, we'll always go from the crease. So let's look at some three of the more familiar offensive sets that we see to play against. First, from the rear, a 1-3-2. So one offensive player behind A, three across B, C, and D, and then the two up top, E and F. For some of you, you would call this a 2-3-1. For others, they would start behind the goal and call it a 1-3-2. So our key guy on this defense is number 3 because he is playing C on the crease. So he knows that he is going to be the slide guy. Whoever man dodges from wherever he has the ball and beats our player, then he's the first to go to slide. It's very, very important for him to be in front of his man, between his man and the ball. If he was here behind the ball, it would be very hard for him to slide to get to help out 6 because C could block him off. By him being in front of the ball, he has a much easier path to help slide and get to the help man. So as F drives and D stands still, does not leave, then 3 will go to double. Now, you can understand why it will be very, very important for us to know where this ball carrier is going to go. And so that is the job of 6 as the defensive player, is to make his man go to the part of the field where 3 can effectively cut down his territory and limit his access to the goal. So for that reason, we tell our team that the field is divided in half. And that if your man starts on this side of the field with the ball, then you are to keep him on that side of the ball. On that side of the field. So 6's job is to make F go that way. In fact, he even wants him to beat him. It's more important for him to stay up here on his back and make him go down here than it is to let him go a few steps and then come back this way. That will mess up our whole slide from number 3. So 6's job is to push him down. Now let's say we were going against a 1-4-1. A behind, the 3 across, B, C, D, and E, the 4 across, and then up top is F with the ball. Once again, 6's job is to make him go to one side of the field or other. So let's say we get over here and we make F go this way with the ball. The slide now is going to come from the crease, and as you can, we have now created a new situation on the crease because now there's 2 players on the crease, C and D. So the closest man to the ball on the slide will be the hot guy, and communication becomes very important here. So 4 is closest to F as he goes this way. So 4 will be the hot guy. He will be the slide guy. He will go to help 6. Okay? And if 6 had gone, or if F had come this way, then 3 would be the closest and he would go. But in this case that we've drawn, you can see that we have moved that way.